Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can send and receive a fax messages in your Google Pixel 5a. So we have to start from downloading a fax app. You will find a lot of them in the Google Play Store. I choose the Easy Fax app. So we have to launch it now. Add the permissions. And if you want to send a document, just click on the little plus and choose the source of your file. I will take a photo now. Here you can see this is my document. Now we can adjust the shape of this to make it more specific. And if you are ready, click here. Now just select a filter for it to make it more visible. And if you want to add a signature, text or graffiti, use that icons. If you're ready, click here and type the number in this place. Optionally, you can give a small note. And if you want to send only this one, just click here and that's it. But if you want to add more documents, click on the plus and do it the same. But if you want to receive a fax messages, go to the incoming section and just get a fax number here. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.